story, you would have more accept and appreciate them glory. Real. We smile, we ball, we rise.
Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. I'm not 100% doing well, but this is a topic that I really have to touch on. I was just looking at the star and I saw these clippings where the stepfather beat the 4-year-old for eating slow. Upon arriving to the hospital, the child died. So tell me now, people, when I believe it's the first time the man beat that child. So people, when you think the first time that man abused that child, even though he end up taking the child life. But me tell you say now, it have some wicked step mama and step papa. You understand? Because some of them treat people pitney so bad. You see, as long as them are no blood, them treat the pitney them so bad, and up until today, see recently happened. It have kids that are getting abused, and some of the parents too, they know about it. That's the sad part. Somebody look at dirty mama them, I look at dirty papa them know about it. But because them love the man or them love the woman, them not say nothing. And them not listen to them pitney when them pitney tell them nothing at all. You understand? What could come over you to beat a 4-year-old? A 4-year-old is still a baby, you know. My little niece Jojo is just 3 years old and she's a baby. If me call my sister and me hear she start crying, I start saying, what happened to her? And she will say, I make sure make nice, I don't cry, she cry. And she's a baby. A 4-year-old is a baby. What kind of lick can you give that little child? That big time abuse the child. And that's not the first time. I don't think that's the first time him lay him hand on that child. And you see, if you know wicked step mama and step papa, where we know that have people pitting around and when them liquor and treat them bad and beat them and abuse them and treat to not pitting them better. Yes, everybody know a fool not pitting them. You don't have no day coming up. That's why I'm telling you, say, some man have so much in this life and you're not happy because you do so much things. Some man dirty step papa, you molest people them daughter. Some man look the daughter just to get in the house. Look the mother just to get in the house close to the daughter. To molest the people them child. You look upon them, you touch them, pass them and touch them certain way. You understand? I say sorry when I really touch and I touch. So parents, be careful. Be careful of them woman and them man wanna take care coming on the pitney life. You understand? Be careful. You see me? You see some of them man, them we all there with the woman, you know. And the woman have a pitney and them not have no pitney. And then maybe I'll try to get the woman pregnant and can't get her pregnant. So them even thinking that them head just say, you know what? If we get rid of the one, and maybe if we do things and get rid of the one here, she will get more pitney. It could have been a case of him kill the pitney and the woman knows how she kill him, you know. Remember a time when me and Trinidad, you know, where the dirty stepfather killed the woman pitney, you know, and stuffed the baby in the barrel, you know. I think it was a 4-year-old too. You understand? Stuff the pitney in the barrel. When I was living in Trinidad. And that was tragic because imagine you that look for your child and the same person who help you look for the pitney. No, so the pitney right there in the house dead. The man raped the baby and stuffed the pitney in the barrel. Some of these step parents are getting with too much. With too much. Me not say if a woman and a man is together, the woman can't talk to the child or the man can't talk. But don't put on the hand for the people and picnic because some are no wicked and evilous. You understand? Some are not evil and some are not intentionally hate the woman them picnic or the man them picnic. Some are not some wicked people. What can come over now? What was he thinking about? The evil hit the child so hard till him take the child life. When did I think about? When really did I think about, like, what are you thinking about? We hit a child, a 4-year-old child, because it have to be some real hard lick, you know. Parents, stop allowing these low life, nobody, the wicked, evil step parents, they abuse and pick them. A lot of kids even know who was kids and them older now, them adult now, them still traumatized by things that step parents do to them when they were little. A lot of kids now still traumatized by things that the wicked step parents do to them when they was small. How can you love a man or a woman and don't love them child? How can you? Like, does that even make any sense? Some of step parents, they now are household and it's just be a Cinderella treatment. Everything is so good for a child. And the stepchild in the household is always some problem. You don't believe nothing at all what the stepchild said. As on the picnic tell you say this a child, this cook, lick by the people and picnic. You understand? Uno evil. Uno evil. And no jail or none of them something they can't save you. Jail can't save you. Because when I go to jail, go live on government money. Wicked people like deserve like life sentence. You know? Yeah. Death sentence. Them something don't deserve. Death sentence. You don't deserve to go into jail and go eat fucking 3 meals a day. You no matter if a dog food them a good, no still an yam. You don't deserve to live. You don't deserve to live. You know, evil. I tell you, if you don't sit down and speak to a lot of adults right now, them can tell you the experience from experience that they have, that they had before, with whether if it's a stepmom or it's a stepdad. Them can tell you no, or you know come out to nothing, you know that, because some of them step parents and love tell people they say them not come out to nothing, you know. And for them people got turn this and turn that and turn this and turn that. Careful on shit people you know. Uno be careful. Uno wicked step parents, and if you want them uno not get catch it. Uno abuse the people and pitney, uno need to stop. Uno need to stop. Take a lesson from this, uno need to stop. Stop abuse the innocent pitney them. Stop treat people pitney bad. Uno have the people and pitney at the house and not treat them like a Cinderella. And sometimes the same pitney one who treat bad, I feel them parents they provide and I make sure you live and go through. And some of the parents them allow it too. Because them know when the pitney them tell them because them love the little man them. Them love the man and they don't want to lose the man. So when the man give them pitney a look hard 1 and 2 lick. Them look funny like a nothing. They must say, oh, you're too rude, you must behave yourself. Them lick the pitney and the pitney ball out. Ah! The mommy go ask man, what happened? He do this or he do that. And you go run to the pitney and say, oh, you're not supposed to do that. So now pitney afraid to say anything to you. Because as the man tell us something, you don't even give the child a chance to speak. You don't even give the child a chance to speak. The first thing you do, you go tell the pitney say, you need to know your place, you need to know this, you need to know that. People, this grieved me. Like when I saw the article in the Star, they said I have to do something on this topic. Because it pained me so much. Like, I don't know that child, but it pains me so much. It cut deep. God say I know. I don't know what to say, but I don't know what kind of demon come over some of these people for them to actually think to hurt an innocent child. Like, what kind of demon coming over you guys to hurt some innocent baby? Come on, man. What kind of lick you give that child for the child last in life? What kind of lick you give the child? Just because the pitney eat slow? They eat slow? How you gonna lick the child? Because the child eats slow. Guys, I can't even do no more on this topic because I'm getting emotional. So, just hope you guys just subscribe to the video because yesterday something here is very painful. You understand? Big up on yourself.